my look like this. We are both
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is a Sunday and I'm so excited. Next week I'm not going to be around. I'm going to be attending like a 5-day session all about autism and all people who take care or live with people that have autism or Down syndrome. I'm excited for next week. I don't know why. I just feel positive. I'm going to be shooting videos for YouTube today. So I recently organized my makeup space and took out a lot of stuff I feel like I didn't need anymore. I'm done filming one video. It's already, I think it's already like coming to 2. I'm exhausted. Let me just film one video for TikTok about my weight loss and call it a day.
You get down on one knee because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough.
Reporting live from China.
I pull my hair, was me out there. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He looks drunken. He looks at his wife and said, "No, you look like my wife."
Here at home.
So we stand up. Here.
Then we will have German Shepherds who work on arranging accordingly. Then up to. Then
We look like coffee.
Which one have you decided to take? I wanted pins, normal pins. Like these. Yeah, but this whole package that this time.
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was
How is it? The fabric. Yeah.
disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now.
You're on camera.
Yeah. Where did you Sunday. From Sunday. Really, when you're talking about vlogs. What's the one to wear?
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee because.
Hi guys, well, I've not been able to take you throughout how I've spent all the days, but basically the conference, and after the conference, which ends at around 4, basically go for evening walks and take a stroll around the city. So apparently it's about like 7:30. I'm going to shower, get ready, and see what the day holds for us.
So hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, wears me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boys are way up. Good boys are way
Exercises. Have you had some experience where physical activity has helped the child? To keep the play area safe. Some of us in the villages, activities are very important.
I think it also helps with the boosting their mood, and also when they do some exercises, like for instance my sister, when she does it, that's when you see the best version of herself. She's more excited, she's more happy. So I think exercises are really important to them.
I'm actually making a vlog.
This is the whole big lucky.
Soko kwate sente. Usanga akamu kakwate. How is it? Again, they cover. So guys, we are going to take an evening walk.
Over. I thought we would do photos. Which one I need to do? said food is smelling nice. Food was smelling.
Please don't go and start your medical center. I'm giving therapy. Not just someone stand up and they will collapse in your hands. They will attack you. Metals off. Exercise fast. Fine, you also have your medical skills. I use the environment to bring the energy to myself. I gather back. So right now that you're here, I may be working on this one and we'll close up.